Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I will be microwaving my beauty blender. Hopefully it's a good method and an easy way for me to clean my beauty blender. Look how dirty it is right now. What I have been doing is taking a bar of soap and wetting it with water and just rubbing this on the bar of soap, and it takes me like a while, like probably like 5 to 10 minutes, because it depends like how long I don't wash my beauty blender. So like all the foundation, concealer, highlight, or blush that I use with my beauty blender is like soak into it, like in deep into it, guys. So yeah. Alright guys, so you guys need a bowl or a mug or whatever and this soap. So you have to pour the dish soap into the bowl. I don't know if that's a lot or a little, but I guess that's enough. I don't know. So we're supposed to fill water halfway. So now I have my beauty blender and I'm just gonna put it inside. Ooh, I think this is more than half, guys. I'm about to pour a little bit out. Alright, so it looks much better now. So now I'm about to put it in the microwave. So now it's in the microwave and we are supposed to do it for 1 minute. So 1 minute. In there. So 1 minute is up, guys, and it looks the same to me, and it's really hot. Alright, so I'm gonna let it cool down, but as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see this part right here, it looks like there's still makeup. Ooh, hot. Alright, see, look at that. So I'm going to let my beauty blender cool down, and then I'm about to show you guys the result. And I hope you guys don't mind the light in here because my kitchen is type dark. So I'm drying my beauty blender, guys, and I think I put too much soap in here because it's still soapy, but it actually removed the makeup. I don't know if you guys can see the paper towel, how dirty it is, but it actually removed most of it out, guys. Look at this. Wow. So look at the result, guys. It's actually pretty clean compared to in the beginning when I show it to you guys. So I thought this wouldn't work because I looked up some of the reviews and looked at videos, and people say they had to microwave it twice, but I only did it once, and look at it. Nice and clean. Well, at first when I took it out, you guys can see that there was still like makeup residue on it, but when you let it dry and take it out the water and take a towel and dry it off, it will take all the makeup off. It's kind of a little bit soapy still because I put too much soap. I kind of overdo it with the soap. So yeah, you guys just have to be careful with that. So I guess this is how I will be washing my beauty blender from now on, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.